quote me accurate. I didn't say that West Papua shouldn't be independent. What I said is West Papua, unlike Timor-Leste, was always part and parcel of Indonesia. That is a fact of international law, recognized by every state. Timor-Leste was listed on the non-self-governing territories, UN General Assembly Resolution 1541, 1960. And West Papua was never listed as a non-self-governing territory during the Dutch administration. So these are facts that militate against West Papuans case. And that's what, and our position, Timor-Leste position, way back even when we were in a desperate situation in the 70s, whether in regard to Aceh, whether in regard to Moluccas or West Papua, we never got entangled with the movements fighting within Indonesia. Our case was a case of decolonization, right there since 1961. And it doesn't mean, and I would encourage Indonesia to seriously address the root causes of the problem in West Papua. Indonesia that is new today is not Indonesia of Suharto, much more open-minded. There is a strong civil society in Indonesia, media, where the West Papuans can take their case. In our situation in the past, we couldn't take Timor situation to Indonesian people. We took to here in New Zealand, US Congress, non-aligned movement, etc., etc. So, and I'm afraid what I say, I knew Tengku Hassan Litiru. Anyone ever heard of the name Tengku Hassan Litiru? Big leader of Aceh, is from the house of the Tirus, way back to the Dutch times. I knew him in the late 70s in New York. He was living there in exile from Aceh. And we became friends. And even being his friend, talking on numerous occasions, I never told him, Itiru, I agree with Aceh's independence. In the end, in spite of, and the situation in Aceh was brutal. In occasions of the years worse than it was in Timor-Leste. Far worse than in Papua. And in the end, under SDY, the Susilo Yoni, Yusuf Kala, they negotiated an arrangement that was unthinkable in regard to Aceh. So, so my position is not like I change over time because Timor-Leste is independent today. No. Not only me, all of us consistently, we never got involved with the insurgencies